Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WeWork Remotely easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the WeWork Remotely website by typing the URL into your browser. On the home page, locate the register button typically found at the top right corner. Click on the register button to begin the sign up process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy linked on the page. Once you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Create Account button to submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open your email and locate the confirmation message from WeWork Remotely. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once your account is verified, return to the WeWork Remotely website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, complete your profile by adding relevant details about your skills and experience. Save any changes you make to your profile. Browse available job listings by using the search function or exploring categories. Apply for positions that interest you by following the application instructions provided in each listing. Stay updated by regularly checking the site for new remote job opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.